Hey team, we're just installing a 13mm sensor plug and socket. So we have our sensor plug here, we have our grommet. This is a safer sensor solution for the line. It'll sit in the line and it'll sit protected, less likely to pop out. When drilling, we don't want to drill with force through, punching the other side. We want to control the hole through as we're drilling it, and then as we pass through this first bit of pipe, pull back on the drill. So we want a bit of force, not too much, and we want it to be controlled at a steady speed, not too fast. Cool. Now that we've got our hole, we'll just clean out all our swarf and burrs. I'd usually spend a bit more time on this, but just for the video, we'll just get the sensor plug in. Grommet. Simply insert the grommet into the hole, and we can see that it's nice and flat and not bulging out. Get our sensor plug. So with this, we just want to get the end of the plug into the grommet. See how I'm just applying a bit of force and pressure, not too much. Pressure is more important than force. Consistent pressure, and we don't want it to fold. We don't want the grommet to fold in on itself. So see how I'm giving it a little wiggle, and then you'll find a point where it'll snap in. Once in position, like, very unlikely for this to come out. Servicing, maybe every sort of 7 to 10 years, somewhere in that range, you possibly are gonna replace that, but also highly unlikely. Any questions, just drop a comment in the description below. We'll come back and answer any questions you may have. And hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if there's any other tricks and tips for this, guys.